Hello, welcome to my channel. This video that you're currently looking at is a previous video of how to do your eyebrows. Make sure you go check that out before you continue to watch this video. Now, before we get started, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel. The items that you see will be placed in the description down below. Here you see me putting on concealer. Concealer helps the eyeshadow to appear more vibrant. The brush that I'm using is a Pro Concealer brush from Sephora. I prefer you to keep patting in the concealer, making sure there's no creases. Don't look up too much or you will create creases and you're gonna have to reapply the concealer. Right here I am using the flat brush. I use the flat brush to apply my eyeshadow as much as I like to. You can apply as much eyeshadow as much as you like to. Just make sure, you know, the color is showing up good enough. I have hooded eyes, so you know it's a little bit more difficult if you don't really know what you're doing. So I just apply my eyeshadow outer more towards the end of my eyebrows. So when you're using the flat brush and you want to blend, you can go in circular motions, which will create a blending effect. It's kind of the same of, you know, thing like your eyebrows. Like when you're doing your eyebrows, you want an ombre effect. So when you're doing your eyeshadow, you want an ombre effect as well. So you want, you know, some parts to be light, and as you're going downwards, actually when you're going upwards, you want it to be more lighter. So you go from dark to light. This pink blending brush that I'm using is like a more, you know, wider brush. Like there's an orange brush that I have as well. It's more smaller, but I feel like the more the bristles are out and the more bristles it has, the further out your blending goes, and more spread it out it blends as well. Now I'm using the flat brush again just to add more color. Once again, ombre effect. It's more darker in the beginning and more lighter as you go up. So I'm trying to create a ombre look. This orange brush that I'm using, which I was just talking about, is a smaller blending brush, so it doesn't go out as far. I am applying concealer under my eye, and afterwards I will be using my finger to dab it in. I am doing this because I'm going to apply eyeshadow under my eyes. Use the flat brush once again to dab in, or you can say apply your eyeshadow. we are heading towards the end of the video. I hope this helped you. In my next video, you will be learning how to do your eyeliner and applying your eyelashes. Like and subscribe to my channel.